To the side of our road, there's a little path, and we get to come here and see this beautiful creek running down. It's pretty awesome what you find when you take a detour. The kid's sitting down there. I'm going to go a little further and see what's here. Look at that. How beautiful is that, eh? Isn't that gorgeous?
What's that there, Mom?
What?
That thing talking.
That's a little water bug.
What's he doing that for?
He's swimming.
What's he doing that?
He's just swimming around, having fun.
Nice.
And that's a cool place.
Hi. He's underwater.
Yep. Here is the forest. Hi, Corsa. Just up the road from our place. That Fen loves to come and run. It's not much trails. We kind of just have to walk through it ourselves. But we have fun going on an adventure. Look at these trees. So gorgeous. I love doing that. You can hear all the birds. Can even see, maybe, through the trees, the sky there.
Oh, cool.
I can hear my children running and playing, but you cannot see them anywhere. Yes, they're with my older daughter, who is down that way somewhere. And they have my dog, so I'm not worried. Oh, I hear them coming now. Look at this beautiful forest they get to play in. Like, it is just so amazing. Look at that. And this one here, they have trails where, not right here, but just over a little, they have trails for like dirt bikes, and they have races here and stuff sometimes. I see them over there. You can see them now. There comes my dog. I so love living in this area. Here's the sun coming out again. So beautiful. There they are. Now you get to see it better because the sun's coming out and can show you the green better. Amazing. Same forest, a little further down. A little creek with waterfall. It's really beautiful.